Welcome to Double G's Garage. What kind of adventure are we getting in today? We're in the truck and we're headed out on another Volkswagen adventure. I wonder what we're buying. Just have to hang in there and wait and see. Okay, here's what we got today. Piles of parts. Just kidding. This is really what we got. Check it out. Early 70s Baja. Towing it back to the house right now. Got my buddy Chris with me. 1641 2-barrel. There it is. Okay, I apologize for the wind today. A little windy out here, a little chilly out here today. But digging into the newly acquired Baja, let's see what we found on the engine problem. Hopefully you can see this. I don't think it's supposed to be that way. And I got one intake valve on each side. Got swivel feet adjusters. You know, just the initial inspection. Just a quick glance at things. What it appears is either it's got too high lift of a cam or it's had a spurt of being over revved and it popped those push rods out. I've already got this side apart and back together. And other than being a big old mess, it appears everything's fine. It's got swivel feet adjusters, like I said. We're gonna run it through a few revolutions and see if the springs are binding and see what's going on there. And if it all looks good, we're gonna button it up, and we're gonna try it out, crank it up, see what happens. All right, stay tuned. Here's a quick walk around on our Baja that we just got. We've got LED lights. We got a really nice Baja kit. We've got LED lights everywhere. We got some really cool mirrors on it. Almost brand new tires and wheels. Really cool paint job. Of course, you gotta have your Hot VWs magazine sticker, shout out. Got a nice old school sunroof in it. Coming around back, more LED lights, LEDs in all of the tail lights. Got a couple exhausts with it. Got really boxes and boxes of extra parts. 1641. Upon further examination, it looks like I got at least a couple bent valves. So it's probably going to need a top end rebuild. But for the price we paid for it, we got a really good deal on this Baja. Let's take a look inside. Got new door panels, got limo tint on all the windows, got a nice Grant GT steering wheel, nice gauge cluster. Still need a little bit of work on the dash. New seat upholstery, floor pans have been done. Excuse all the mess in the back, but boxes and boxes, like I said, of extra parts. It's gonna make a really nice Baja. So talk about a nice car. When was the last time you heard a set of doors shut like this? Nice clean car under the hood. Everything has been painted and detailed under here. Wiring harness looks in pretty good shape. Got the wiring cover. Lots and lots of new parts. Even got a aftermarket fuse panel to wire in all the lights. Not all the electricals sorted out on this yet, but should be a fun project. Okay, so that about does it for this video on what did we buy here at DoubleG's garage. Nice little 72 Baja. Looks like it's going to be a fun project. Got to get the engine sorted out. But anyway, thanks for stopping by, and see you next time.